Now let's create some set-driven keys to have our controllers control the expressions. So on this first one, this is smile. So the idea is that when I raise this to the extreme, it's going to be the extreme smile. Then when I bring this back down, it's going to be the neutral pose. So to do that, I'm going to go to Animation, and I'm going to go to Key, Set-Driven Key, Options. Okay, great. Now I've got this area here, and the driver, in other words, the controller, is going to be this item here. So I'm going to say Load Driver. And the driver, I'm going to have translate Y. That's what's going to be responsible for the reaction. And then what do I want that to control? Well, if I click on Andy here, I'm going to click on Blend Shape, and then I'm going to say Load Driven. Then I can click on Blend Shape here. And specifically for this, I want it to be smile. So if I read this kind of as a sentence, the smile control, translate Y, up and down, is going to control the blend shape of smile. Great. So now what I can do is I can click Key here, because at the lowest state, I could say the mouth is correct. So I'll go ahead and key it. Now, if I raise this up, I can click on the smile. I can click on blend shape. Well, let me click on Andy here. Blend shape, and then I'm going to put smile. I'm going to click on smile and put that to 1. And now I can key it here. Now if I click on this, I can see that this will blend the smile from neutral to full smile. All right, great. Now that we've got that figured out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the next one. So on this next one, I'm going to say Load Driver, Angry, translate Y, is going to control Angry on the blend shape. So once again, Angry, translate Y, blend shape, Angry. And down, that's going to be neutral. I'm going to go ahead and key that. Then I'm going to raise this up. Click back here. Whoop, click on here, blend shape, Angry. There we go. And now because that's up and that's all right, I'm going to key that. Hey, there we go. Awesome. Now for the open mouth, I've got a couple options. I could key that to key the open blend shape, because remember, we do have an open blend shape here. Okay. So maybe I do want that. Well, you know what I'm thinking? Actually, if I do that, and then if I move this, it's going to make that too wide. So maybe instead of it controlling, let's see. Maybe instead of having that control the blend shape of open, I'll have it control the joint. So to do that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to select this one, Load Driver, translate Y, that's what's important. Then I'm going to go ahead and select this bone and say Load Driven. Okay. And now I'm going to say Rotate Z, because when I start to rotate like that, I can see here's Z. I'm going to say Rotate Z, and I'm going to say Load Driven. Whoop, Rotate Z. There we go. So open, open, translate Y, is going to drive the bottom joint, rotate Z. I'm going to go ahead and key it here. Then I'm going to go ahead and open this. And then I'm going to put this to its extreme. It doesn't even have to be, you know, its full potential. I could just kind of have it like that. And then I can key that. Now let's take a look. So there you can see it's driving a joint. Okay, cool. And then for the last one here, blink, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to select that, Load Driver, translate Y. And then I'm going to say Blend Shape, Load Driven, Blend Shape. And then I can go maybe to both of these. And I'm going to say, okay, let's key that. Now if I bring this up, I'll go here, back to blend shape, and then put both of those like that and key that. Awesome. So I've got that happening. I've got this happening. I've got this happening and this. Okay. Now it's cool. I could actually do a combination of these. Okay. And maybe open too. So he's got his mouth open with a smile. That's kind of creepy. But you can see you can get really clever with these. And I didn't even do all of the blend shapes that we have. You can see that I've got other things here. I could have this would be a good blend shape to do. I've got a custom one here that I could do. So I just wanted to get you started and kind of open up a world of potential here, right? And what's cool is even if the the head is moved, I could kind of move it in any direction. The all of this stuff is going to work just fine. Okay, so it's not like he has to keep his head in obviously one position for that to work. So hopefully that was helpful and really kind of looking at some complex character controls that you can kind of expand on these concepts.